So I'm out here on a job today for a customer who's in Minto. They're with Tangerine and they've got NBN fibre to the curb. The customer had me come out because they had another socket just out here and they didn't realise they had that second socket, but they wanted me to connect this one up and I was getting a short circuit on that, so I got underneath the house and had a look, and I seen another cable coming up here, which is directly the lead-in cable, as you can see from here, okay? And then that cable then goes out into a conduit, which goes out into the pit, out in the street, which I had a look in, popped that open, had a look, you could see the cable coming in, and then that shoots off to the DPU, which is out the front of their neighbour's property. Now, I've connected this up here now, and it's been probably 15 minutes or so, and we've still got the flashing blue light and nothing syncing up. So this is obviously a network issue. There's nothing wrong with the socket. Socket's fine. Cable's brand new, and it's this FTTC connection device is obviously new as well. So we're going to need to get a NBN contractor to come out here and try and work out what the hell's going on, because as you can see, that's directly on the network cable, which means this is a network issue. So Tangerine, you're going to have to get an NBN tech to come out and check this one out.